video. Hey! Does this look good?
Not bad.
That sound good on camera?
Really commercial.
Yeah. That's the intro time.
Yep.
You really recording?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought you were screwing with me. Hello, friends. I'm Jesse, and welcome back to the MountainPrevail Knife Shop. Tonight, it's going to be a good one. We're going to get the handles drilled, pinned, and all glued on tonight. And after this video, you're going to start to see some finished product. So y'all sit back, relax, and just watch the daggone video. Alright guys, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do before I even start, I'm going to drop that knife on the table. No, these things are already sharper than a minnow pecker, so I'm going to tape them up so I don't cut myself. Then we'll go downstairs, do some drilling. Alrighty. Now, super glue. What I'm going to do is, going to temporarily super glue one side of the handle on each knife, slightly highish. You ever get your tape line highish?
Not on mine.
What do you get your tape line highish on?
Here's the thing.
Way to be a fast thinker. That's pretty good. I didn't know what you might come up with. Two dabs of glue.
How big is a dab?
It's just a hair more than a smidge.
It's smaller than a dollop.
Smaller than a dollop, but a hair more than a smidge. It's kind of like a skosh.
Skosh, okay.
All right. What's that sound? You hear it down there?
I did.
I bet it's that June bug.
Probably.
Got in when we come in. Then they're screwing around in the shop. Okay. At this point in time in my life, I'm going to cut all the pins real quick. Now I'm going to just knock the burrs off of the ends of all of them. I cut these things where I got a good 1/4 inch or more sticking outside of the handle on all of them. Just clean them up, that way I don't got to fight them when I'm pushing them through the holes.
That's fine.
Thank you.
Wait, say it again?
I said thank you.
Well, we ain't used to hearing that.
You're such a sweetheart.
Man, the working conditions are a little rough. I'm used
Ouch!
to get you.
It's slightly warmish. Focus, you son of a gun.
Pretty good eyeball right there.
Time! Tyler, now look.
Oh!
You left one laying there in the daggone dust.
Look at that. I missed one.
I give you one job.
We're going to have to do another episode of Good Housekeeping. That way we can get rid of all the dust.
I give you one job, dude. What do you do?
I was being mean before long. You have one job.
Let me down. All right. Is that all? Do you need to look one more time before I turn it off? Too late. I done turned it off.
I turned it back on now. I don't care how many more you left laying over there.
Done. Done. D-U-N.
Right.
All righty, buddy. You watching real close what I'm doing here, Tyler? This right here, buddy. Can't learn this crap by reading books, I'll tell you that.
A little bit of super glue and plywood.
You super glue that plywood till you up right there on your drill press. If in the case, so we're on ice drilling this, and that thing bites, and it was to happen to swing around there, I'm gonna smack a piece of wood and not smack a pipe and take a chance on chipping the blade or something. And that is your tip of the day from old Jesse. There we go, honey.
Yeah.
Let's drill a hole. We want to. All right.
Whoa.
Oh, it's a glorious fit.
Yeah.
Lord have mercy. Honey, I just can't tell you what that does for me.
You happy with that one?
I'm tickled to death with it. Absolutely tickled to death. Ain't them blue shavings just beautiful?
Pretty. I love it. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy. She's loose, but not too loose. You know what I mean? Friction is this precise right there. It's right in the sweet spot. I dropped a pen. There it is. Oh. That's something else. Okay. Now we're going to switch bits. Here I sit in a back room in a church down the street. Not too dark of the place where we used to be. This is, no, we're doing the same side twice.
I don't know.
Sorry.
You filled them holes awful good. Same side twice.
I'm such a prick, isn't I?
There's that one.
One's not as holy as the other one, so we're going to change that.
Just trying to make sure I ain't got no blade hanging over the edge anywhere. Because at this point, they are where they are. I drill them holes. It is over with.
All right, we got round two.
Round two, I'm having a little bit of deja vu action right now.
Yep. Looks good.
Deadly.
Making a mess. You make it rain, but handle that.
It's my shop. I'll do it if I want to. I'll do it if I want to.
You're not the boss of me, Tyler.
Now what?
Let's see. Let's get back up here. Come on up. Let's get a. Can we get a little mic check? Mic check. Okay. Got all the handles drilled, all the holes transferred, and what do you know? All the pins line up, and these things are laying together just as nice and tight as I could ask for. Whoop. That there fell out. It's nice and tight. But anyhow, let's double checking everything really quick. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave these things pinned together, and I'm going to take them down there on the grinder, and I'm going to flush those ends first. Then I'll grind a slight bevel on each one, and then we'll sand them up to about 600 grit or something. Yeah, I've got to finish. What I'm talking about here is I'm gonna flush these ends up, and the bevel I was talking about grinding is this bevel right here. Can you see that? And I'm gonna go ahead and sand that on the grinder up to 600 grit and get it done, because you don't want to get this all glued up and shape the handle and be trying to sand against the blade. You scratch it all to pieces. So do that step first. You ready, Tyler?
Let's go.
Let's go do it to it.
Ready? Oh yeah. It's gonna be awesome.
Alrighty. Now I'm gonna set this thing up so I can bevel each side the same. Stay tuned. We'll be right back after these messages from our sponsors. And this is where you play like a WD-40 commercial or something. Alright, now what we're doing here now is we're going to bevel this side here, and we're going to match it, bevel this side right here, and we're going to meet up together right there. Now it's going to be beautiful. It's going to be beautiful.
Like you start walking your way, I'll start walking mine. We'll meet in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, we gained a lot of ground. All right, I'm gonna check them all real quick, just to make sure they all stayed good, or make sure I didn't take none of them too far. Then I'll run up through the grits on them. Just that's pretty good. Pretty good. The green one's the one we did first. That's the one we done checked. Yeah.
I'll show the people.
All the heavy grinding now is done on them. So now I'm just going to go up to like 224, 600 or something, and just slick them up. Slick them up good, and won't have to worry about sanding them no more. I'm thinking I might just go on to a 400. What do you think about it, Tyler? I mean, a lot of times on something like this, you don't got to skip. You don't got to go to each grit. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and kill this video here. It's getting a little late again, and still got a little bit to do to these before they're ready to glue up. Just a couple minor things, but yeah, we'll just try to make this one short and sweet. And so we're going to have to come back to one more video before we can glue these things up. So what's that going to be, Tyler? There's going to be 4 videos on handles and getting handles glued up, right?
Well, it seems like. I believe so.
Anyway, I went ahead and took these up to 800 grit on those bevels, so that'll be done.
Man, it's pretty.
Is it focused all right there?
Thin blue line.
Thin blue line. This is for my police chief buddy. Hope he likes it. Thin blue line on a box elder burl. Freaking sick, man. Can't wait to see this one done. I can't wait to see them all done. There ain't none of them sucks. None of them sucks. Well, I mean, this, of course, this is just a dry run. This thing looks like a turd right now. But, man, it's going to be good. And taking the time to get those bevels all ground on them and getting them all slicked up. They're about 115.5% symmetrical. Not quite 116, just 115.5. That'll do here in this shop.
And with every knife, they do have the option of purchasing the painter's tape that we use, right?
Yeah. It'll only cost you an extra $45, but it's good stuff.
Yeah. It's only been used once.
Only slightly used.
Yep.
So it's got plenty of life left in it. If y'all want that, just let us know in the comments. Anyway, let's see. Yeah, what I've got left to do is I'm gonna take a 1/4 inch drill bit or something, just any size drill bit really, and just put a bunch of dimples on the inside of these scales where they meet the blade, and that way it gives that epoxy more surface to bond to. And also, what I've got to do is take like a real rough, just the roughest grit I've got, and just really skin this up here, just underneath the scales, obviously. Just really scratch that surface up so the epoxy can bond better to the steel. I just like to do every single thing possible to make these knives as good as they can be. So I know this build's kind of dragging out. We're busy, ain't we, Tyler?
Oh.
Anyways, if you've stuck with us this whole time on this build, series so far. Thanks for watching these videos. And just keep on doing what you're doing. Keep watching them, because they're about done, and we're gonna move on to some other things here in the shop. And I am just freaking excited. It's gonna be great. Ain't it, Tyler?
That's right.
That's right. All right, guys. Give this video the thumbs up if you liked it. If you hated it, give it the thumbs up anyway with a smile. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you know each and every time my man Tyler uploads a video for you. Anyway, hope everybody's having a great week so far. Hope you got a good weekend planned. I don't know what time of the week to tell you it is right now, because I don't know when this video is going to get uploaded. So just don't pay attention to what I'm saying right now. Anyways, take care. Thanks. God bless. Y'all keep them sharp.